Faded pictures on the wall, shadows stretching down the hall, ghosts of dreams that never were, in a house where hearts defer. There's a place where all roads end, broken hearts they never mend. Memories fall like the rain, in that house of endless pain. Windows weep with past regrets, voices whisper in duet, echoes of a love long gone. In that house the sun's upon, every room's a tale untold, lonely nights in darkened fold. Time stands still, it waits for none, in the house of rising sun. There's a place where all roads end, broken hearts they never mend. Memories fall like the rain, in that house of endless pain. Curtains drawn on shattered past, dreams that faded way too fast. In the house where shadows play, ghosts of love still sing and sway. There's a place where all roads end, broken hearts they never mend. Memories fall like the rain, in that house of endless pain. Drawn on shattered past, dreams that faded way too fast. In the house where shadows play, ghosts of love still sing and sway. In the midnight hour, dance around like a twisted power. Soapy dreams swirling in the night, lost in the rhythm under moonlight. Spinning and rocking in the lavender mist, bleach those blues with a tumbling twist. Detergent dreams when we can't resist, breaking the silence with a laundry list. Socks and shirts in a secret embrace, jeans and jackets finding their place. Heat of the dry kiss in the sea, turning chores into a midnight dream. Club, spinning and rocking in the lavender mist. Bleach those blues with a tumble and twist. Detergent dreams when we can't resist. Breaking the silence with a laundry list. Ilocano Mix Club, shadows dancing as the washer hums. Every bubble will be like a drum. Lost in the piles, we let loose our souls. Harmony found and completion's goals. Spinning and rocking in the lavender mist. Bleach those blues with a tumble and twist. Detergent dreams when we can't resist. Breaking the silence with a laundry list. Ilocano Mix Club.
Leaves are dancing, whispers in the trees. Moonlight's casting shadows as they please. Secrets in the rustle of the night. Stories told where stars and silence fight. Footsteps echo softly on the ground. Hidden paths where lost dreams can be found. Whispers of the past in every breeze. Mystic tunes are carried through the leaves. Ilocano Mix Club, whispering words, they keep our tales alive. Mysteries and memories contrived. Nature's song where ancient voices blend. In the groove where the time can never end. Fireflies are candles in the dark, guarding every secret that we spark. Find our way by moonbeam, silver thread, guiding us to where our hearts have led. In the forest whispers we confide, truths and lies that we can never hide. Wild and free, our spirits shall remain, echoing the woods' eternal refrain. Whispering words, they keep our tales alive. Mysteries and memories contrived. Nature's song where ancient voices blend. In the groove where time can never end. Ilocano Mix Club. Ilocano Mix Club. what's inside